To start video call on the Samsung S25 FE, you have to start by opening Applications screen and you have to open a Google Meet application. Now, you have to click on the new in the right bottom corner, and here we can find your call suggestions, but also we can create the group call, or you can search between your contacts. You will have to click here, and now we can also find your suggestions one more time, but you can input here the phone number, or you can input someone email number. Now pick someone, and here that's basically the preview of your camera. Now you can simply make the video call by clicking over here, but also you are able to turn off your camera. You can also mute your microphone for the first seconds of the call, and you can also replace this, so you can upload, for example, your photo, or add the 360-degree background if you want, which will looks like this. It will actually blur all of the background if you don't want to show your background, for example. And now you can just go back and make a call right now. Thanks for watching.